Welcome to Data Engineers Academy. Hello everyone. In this video, we'll solve an SQL question, most popular fuel system for each fuel type. I'll explain the logic step by step, and then I'll show you how to execute this query in Snowflake. Let's first understand the question. We have a table called playground.automobile that contains 3 columns, brand underscore name, fuel underscore type, and fuel underscore system. Our objective is to find the most popular fuel system for each fuel type based on the number of cars. We need to include columns for fuel type, fuel system, and the count of cars, showing only the top fuel system for each fuel type. Finally, we need to order the result by fuel type in ascending order. Now let's understand the sample data. For gas cars, Toyota, Honda, and Audi use MPFI, while BMW uses IDI. So MPFI appears 3 times for gas. For diesel cars, Mercedes and Volkswagen both use IDI. So IDI appears 2 times for diesel. Based on this, the most popular fuel system for gas is MPFI with 3 cars, and the most popular fuel system for diesel is IDI with 2 cars. Now let's move to the SQL query. The first part of the query uses a common table expression, or CTE. Inside the CTE, we select the fuel type and fuel system. Next, we calculate the total number of cars for each combination using count. After that, we use the dense underscore rank window function. Inside dense underscore rank, we partition the data by fuel underscore type. This means the ranking starts over for each fuel type independently. Then we order the rows by the total cars in descending order so that the fuel system with the highest count gets rank 1. We group the data by fuel type and fuel system because we are using the count aggregate function. Once the CTE calculates the counts and ranks, we move to the main query. Here, we select the fuel type, fuel system, and total cars from the CTE. Then we filter the results using where rank is equal to 1. This keeps only the most popular fuel system for each fuel type. Finally, we sort the output by fuel type in ascending order, so diesel comes before gas. Now let's execute this query in Snowflake. After that, I'll paste the SQL query into the worksheet. Now I'll click the Run button to execute the query. The output shows the most popular fuel system for each fuel type. This confirms that our query is working correctly. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Data Engineers Academy for more SQL and Snowflake interview questions. See you in the next video.